This is a freestyle. Only me and my art that I create. Hope you enjoy.
Yo, check it. Couple errands I was planning to run today, but dead that I'm kicking back and rolling on this rainy day.
Like I said before, this is a freestyle. Everything I come up with is set off the dome. Normally I plan. I try new things. I write things down regarding things to say. But this isn't really one of those cases. It's just me just talking. I appreciate every one of you watching the videos, giving me comments, DMing me, saying this is amazing, this is some good stuff. I feel like I'm having fun, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. This joy I haven't felt in a long time. When people tell me, like, I watched your video, it made my whole week, it made me smile. I get them a lot now, and I just really appreciate it, you know. One day, I want to grow this art, grow this piece, grow this segment that I want to plant a seed in, to the point where people can watch my videos as an escape haven, an emotional outlet, and just make somebody smile. And that's what I hope these videos have done with you so far. So if you're watching this, thank you. Seriously, thank you. This may be a friend, an acquaintance, a person I love. Thank you. You mean the world to me. And when I grow this channel, when I grow these videos, as they expand in quality, I'll never forget any of you guys. I won't. I'll be right here, showing you the videos, telling you what you think. You know? So, thank you guys. For real, thank you.